Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give a market update on 2023. So this should not be constituted as financial advice. Okay, so actually I wanted to post this in 2022, but then because I was moving house and I got my cats and I was so busy, so I didn't have time to post it. So now I will be posting it. So anyway, before you guys go to the posting, I'll show you guys my kitten, which is Mochi. Yeah. Let's go to the market updates. Okay, so 2023 market outlook. So as I share the outlook, maybe I can show my cat. Or she wants to be shown lah. Okay, so first I've compiled all the data regarding 2022. Okay, so for the major index, if you didn't know what is index are like basically a basket of stocks that follow the market. Okay, so there are a few kind of indexes. There's Dow Jones, there's S&P 500, there's Nasdaq. So most people use S&P 500. So if you're looking at S&P 500, you can see the 2022 is definitely a negative year, whether you are looking at which index. Okay, so major US index post their worst year since 2008. Okay, so S&P is down by 19.4%. Okay, and then if you didn't know, we are actually heading into recession, and many funds, banks all predict the recession. So yeah, definitely we are going to recession in 2023. Okay, and then just let you have a look at the S&P 500 total returns by year. So you can see, right, I compiled the returns ever since the World War II ended lah. Okay, so you can see World War II ended in 1945, so it's just from here. So basically, after every rate year, right, there will usually be a positive year. So rate year, positive year, rate year, positive year. Same rate year, positive year, next year, rate positive, rate positive. Okay, only 1973, 1974, there was two rate years here. Okay, and then there was an anomaly in 2000, there were 3 rate years. So actually, consecutive rate years is actually very rare. And you can see here lah. So basically 2023 unlikely to be a rate year. So even if rate year is an anomaly, okay, yeah, not expected to be rate. Okay, so what is the S&P return usually around a recession? Okay, so usually average return during from the peak of market to the start of a recession, right? You know the boom and bust cycle for the economics cycle. Okay, so when you're at the bust cycle for the recession, usually from the peak to the recession there, it will be a 29% drop. So maybe we haven't reached the bottom yet, but I highly think we already reached the bottom. Will not, these are my own personal opinion. Okay, so yeah, so even if it hasn't reached the bottom, doesn't matter. So 1 year later from the bottom, right, definitely you will make a positive return because you look at the average. Even you look at median also, you will make a positive return. And 2 years later after recession, you also make a positive return. So actually recessions or bear markets are the best time to invest. So if you haven't invested, please start investing. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this one explain what's a troll lah. So I don't know how to pronounce this, but yeah. So basically it means the bottoming of a cycle lah. Yeah. Okay, so you won't know when it's the actual bottom because it can only be identified in hindsight. Okay, so I think the question is what happens during a recession lah, because everyone knows we are heading towards recession. So technically before the recession actually hits, the stocks will already decline, everything already priced in already. Okay, because the market is very efficient, right? It will price in everything. Okay, and even during recession, sometimes stocks can be up. Okay, and then before the recession even ends, stock market often begin to recover first. Okay, so you cannot be in a recession forever, you cannot be a booming cycle forever. So yeah. Okay, so average return 1 year after recession will be after a 25% or more decline is far above average. So this one maybe not very applicable. Yeah, so it's true lah. Stocks don't always decline during a recession, so don't be afraid to invest during a recession. Okay, then if I'm saying 2023 will be green, right? When is the best time to invest? Anytime between Jan, Feb and March lah. After that, most likely the market will go up because you look at this S&P 500 index seasonality. So basically, usually Jan, February, March is meh, like they barely move and then they just go sideways. And then usually you can see the chart lah. April is going up, May is a meh month, June is a meh month. Okay, then after that, July usually is up, okay, then sideways, then usually October, November, December will keep going up lah. So this is the seasonality chart. So if you don't want to miss out on this like bear market bottom, right? Yeah, now it's like quite bottom already, okay? Even if it's still going down, it's not going to be going down much already. Okay, so yeah, so best time to invest is January, February, March. After that, you miss the boat already, you have lose out on these exponential returns lah. Okay, yeah, so that's the end for the short update for 2023. Okay, so just now I show my other cat. So this is my other cat called Caramel. Yeah, so I got 2 cats. Yeah, and this is cute, right? Okay, so these 2 招财猫, right? They are 招财猫. So wish you a lucky and happy 2023. Yeah, so if you like this video, please help to like and subscribe. Bye bye.